Zhijun cop knows where it's at. Look out, it's bumping. Keep on. Clap, snap, clap, snap. Help us get it going today. Here's my DJ Protege. DJ.
Is everybody ready for a great show?
The soap's down on the top of crime. Well, you know who he is. What's he do the problem here, CJ?
Well, Broadway, I am so glad you're here. We really need your help. I can't find anything else anywhere.
That was amazing. Oh, thank you.
Come on, Josh. Thanks for getting me off that box, you guys.
Think nothing of it, amigo. How he does it? I used my keen insight, deductive reasoning, and nerves of steel. Now, lunch had it. Give me a favor, clean up the mess now.
10-4, boss.
Thanks.
Well, however you did it, it sure was swell.
Oh, thanks, mister. Say, how do you like it?
Well, you see, I was planning on running the magic trick, right? And the next thing you know, look inside.
Crazy cool.
Have fun.
Way up high. To the sky, start to fly, and now you gotta spin. Push your arms. Way up high. To the sky, start to fly, and now you gotta spin. Spin it, that's the huge bear. When you're in it, you can wait in a minute when you spin it. So spin it.
Your science project will rock. Don't you worry, don't you cry. We won't fail, the show won't stop. Mickey's with Bunkers, the superstar.
Yeah! Bunkers, Steve Bobcat! Cool!
What a ride!
Wow, that was really fun. One
time in Tucson, there was a cat that had it all.
fortunate thing, top of the game, up until we hit the wall.
Now that you live in downtown, walking on a brand new beat. Stepping through the doorway, turning on the way, taking out the high street.
You did it, Bunkers!
All in the line of duty.
Sure, son. Well, I guess we got our wires crossed.
Wow,
Yay!
sure was a science project you did. Are you all right?
Mickey, there you are! I have been looking everywhere for you! Hey, everybody, we found Mickey! Yay! Hey, Mickey, let's do the